Hare Krishna. If you're watching this, maybe you are led to this video, and I really wish that this video reaches only the right people who are meant to watch this. So, I have a small narrative to share with you. तो आज ना मैं भजन सुन रही थी कान्हा जी का, और जब आप इतनी प्यारी चीज़ को सुनते हो ना, तो आप एक डिफरेंट स्टेट ऑफ माइंड ऑफ बीइंग में यू गेट कैरिड अवे. तब आप ना बहुत कुछ रियलाइज़ करते हो, और उस मोमेंट पर मुझे रियलाइज़ हो रहा था दैट यूनिवर्स इज़ मेड आउट ऑफ लव. वी आर बॉर्न आउट ऑफ लव. वी लुक आवर एंटायर लाइफ्स फॉर लव. वी वॉन्ट टू लीड आवर लाइफ इन लव, पीस, प्रॉस्पेरिटी, काइंडनेस. So positivity is the source and power behind everything, and you feel that deeply. The thing is now, the other thing that I really realized, and that's what I truly want you to listen to this today, कि sometimes it happens in our life. बहुत बार ऐसे होता है ना कि we carry a lot in our mind. बहुत सारे grudges छोटे छोटे भी हो सकते हैं, जैसे कि sometime when somebody has hurt us, or the people that let you down, or you know the times when you just felt unseen, and there could have been a lot of things, or the times when you did not get the due recognition for what you thought you deserved, या फिर you thought you were pulled down. I mean, in your entire course of human existence, this is very normal and everybody encounters this. I truly personally believe. The thing that happens is we forget to forgive both them and ourselves. Imagine वो कहते हैं ना कि forgiveness is the virtue of strong people. They tell it for a reason. Because only and only when you learn to forgive, when you surrender, you are letting in love and light in your life. और क्यों forgive करना चाहिए? And I have a beautiful theory to explain you that. They say कि हर कोई आपकी ज़िंदगी में एक रीज़न के लिए आता है, और अगर आप भगवान जी में बहुत ज़्यादा मानते हो, तो आप ये भी मानते हो कि everything that happens to you is written by his divine script and you just lovingly accept it. तो शायद वो जो चीज़ तब हुई, तब वो होना बहुत ज़रूरी था, ताकि आज आप यहाँ तक आ पाओ, ताकि आप आपकी जर्नी में कंटिन्यू कर पाओ, ताकि आपको वो सोल लेसन मिल सके. यार, एवरीथिंग हैपन्स फॉर अ रीज़न. Everybody comes and lives your life for a reason. So it's important that you give them the due recognition that they have taught you the lesson that they were meant to teach you, and you lovingly, gratefully accept the lesson. At the same time, you just release, you just forgive, you just let go, and you say thank you to God for everything and move on with your life. And that's when you are truly saying to God कि भगवान जी, अब ना मैं रेडी हूँ, आपके पास जो भी है मेरे लिए मैं रेडी हूँ, मैं लेसन सीख रही हूँ, एंड आई एम जस्ट रेडी फॉर whatever is meant for me. So this is your sign that you need to forgive, be it a person, be it a thing, be it opportunity, and most importantly, you need to forgive yourself for the times you missed something, you promised yourself, or anything. When you forgive, you truly start to flow in love, gratitude, and divinity. And that was it for today. Hare Krishna.